Queen Elizabeth, II hates garlic. Her former royal chef Darren McGrady told Recipes Plus that she wasn't picky, but hated garlicky food or anything with too much onion. Dogs don't sweat by salivating. They regulate temperature through panting. They actually sweat through their footpads. A Japanese man once noticed food disappearing in his home, so he set up a webcam. He then discovered that a homeless woman had been living in his closet for an entire year. A mysterious air base is being built on Yemen's volcanic Mayoun Island. No country has claimed it. This spray makes everything look like made of stone. Hotel in Germany uses 3D carpets to prevent guests from running in the hallway. In 1996, Taco Bell announced that it had bought the Liberty Bell and renamed it the Taco Liberty Bell. Angry citizens protested, presumably without stopping to notice what day it was. Medal of Honor recipient Thomas Baker was gravely wounded and had his comrades leave him behind, propped up against a tree with a pistol that had 8 bullets remaining. Later, they found his body next to the tree, surrounded by 8 dead Japanese soldiers. Jordan Kinera, a Ugandan man, saw his father lose their land in a legal fight at age 6. He spent 18 years in school and became a lawyer and won back the property 23 years later. Men who can perform at least 40 push ups in one attempt are much less likely to suffer from heart disease within the next 10 years, according to researchers from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health. Elon Musk's prediction: Earth is going to face a massive population collapse over the next 20 to 30 years. Even Chinese billionaire Jack Ma agreed with this. Water is just a portal to a universe where you can fly, but you can't breathe. Sony has launched an advanced model of AC that you can wear inside your t shirt during various forms of light exercise and outdoor activities. If you lose 75% of your liver, it'll grow back completely in 1 year. In 2018, the world's most expensive bottle of vodka, worth $13 million USD, was stolen and found empty at amazing underscore facts in a construction site. This is not a photograph, it is a pencil drawing sketch by Keegan Hall, and it took him 250 hours to make it this perfect. By the time you turn 5, you have already developed a sense of self esteem as strong as an adult's. Because self image plays a critical role in how children form social identities, this suggests that a child's first 5 years are an extremely important foundation for life. Nadia Sparks, a 13-year-old student from Norwich, got juice thrown at her face, was chased and punched, even shown a knife by schoolmates only for picking up litter on her way to school, and was named Trash Girl. Undeterred of all the bullying, she has picked up thousands of liters of garbage since she started her project, much of which has been recycled. After her story went viral, she became an ambassador for the WWF and has won international recognition and awards. The Most Unwanted Song is a musical piece that was created using a survey to identify what people hated most in music. The final result included out of tune accordions and bagpipes, a rapping cowboy opera singer, and a children's choir that urged listeners to shop at Walmart. The loneliest whale in the world has been singing the same song, crying for companionship, for over 20 years. It took $7.5 million to build the Titanic, but $200 million to film the movie Titanic. The nerve endings in your rectal area help distinguish the difference between farts and poop, but sometimes these nerves can get confused. A woman once wore 70 items of clothing in a Chinese airport to avoid paying the airline's extra baggage charge. You can eat 24-karat gold without falling ill. As pure gold is chemically inert, it will pass through the body and will get eliminated as waste. This pineapple water will help you detox your body, lose weight, and relieve joint pain. Extremely high doses of caffeine can cause you to hallucinate, hear imaginary voices, and sense the presence of dead people. Getting drunk brings out something closer to our true personalities, according to researchers from the University of Missouri. Alcohol doesn't cause us to change who we are. We just become less self conscious and more extroverted. Cigarette butts are environmentally toxic and the most littered item in the world. A man proposed his girlfriend in very unique way. He took his runner girlfriend on a run that ended at the place where they first met. When he showed her his GPS tracker, the tracked route read Marry Me.